The following segment is brought to you by Utah Family Faves. Summer is in full swing and parents are always looking for new and simple activities to do with their kids. Mikkel is here to show us 2 fun ideas and to save us as parents for the summer. Mikkel, great to see you. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
Of course. It's a crazy summer when kids start to get a little bored after like the first week, right? So
Yes.
you have 2 games that are going to be amazing. What are the 2 games?
So this is a frozen t-shirt race. It's to see who can put on the shirt the fastest.
Fun.
And then this one is a bubble experiment, and it makes a snake out of it.
How fun. Okay, let's start with the t-shirt one. What are the rules and how does it work?
Okay, so you just need to take a t-shirt, you get it wet, you fold it up as you can see here.
Okay.
You put it in the freezer overnight, and then you just have to see who can
It's kind of like the timing,
Uh-huh.
so let's do this.
See who can undo it the fastest.
Oh, this isn't easy.
No, it's not.
And
Gotta
then
use your muscles
You
here.
do. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then once you get this all unfolded, you'll have a contest to see who can put it on first.
Yep.
This is not easy, Mikkel. This would keep kids entertained. I mean, you could do all ages with this too.
Yep, and it's nice because when it's hot outside, it's gonna be something to cool them off.
I'm always hot in the studio, so
you're
this
winning.
actually feels really good. I'm just gonna hug this. So that's fun. So then you figure out who can put it on the fastest.
Yep.
I love that. Okay, let's go to the next one, the snake bubble game. How does that work?
So this one, all you need is a water bottle, a baby wipe, a rubber band, some water, and some soap.
Okay, okay.
So I put in here water and soap. Just gonna kind of mix it up.
Do you want me to do it with you?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Here's one.
Does it matter what soap?
Just dish soap.
Dish soap, okay. I have a weird thing with I love the smell of dish soap. So when you were pouring this in, I was like, this smells really good. I'm a weirdo. Okay, so you,
So you're just gonna take it.
okay. Get soap on it. Okay, hold on. Do I make sure and get, I want to make sure and get lots of soap. Oh, look how cool. That is so awesome. And you just see who can get the longest bubble snake.
Yeah, then this is entertainment for hours. with
My
kids.
5-year-old would love this.
Yep.
That is so much fun. Okay, what are the markers for?
So if your kids want, they can decorate their water bottle to make it more fun. And another super fun thing to do is to get some
Some food coloring.
Some food coloring, yes, thank you.
Okay.
And you put it on the bottom of this, and then when you're blowing, it actually makes it look like a colorful snake coming out.
Oh, that is such a great idea. So you just put it like right in the cup?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh.
Well, not in the cup. You just put it on the edge of the...
Oh, on the edge, so then it comes out.
Yep, yep. So when
I
you're
see.
blowing, it's coming out.
What ages do you think this is good for?
So this one, all of my kids' ages from 3 till about 9, I would say, would be fun for this. I feel like any age for this one.
For the t-shirt.
I mean, even teenagers. My kids thought it was so fun.
Well, and it cools you down for the summer. That's what I love. If we want to follow you and all of your fun adventures, Mikkel, where can we go?
You can follow me on Instagram at Utah Family Faves.
Okay, perfect. I'm going to keep going with this.
Yep.
Thanks so much for being here.
No, thank you for having me.
Let's have that contest. Let's do this. Oh, you're waiting.